Hello, I'm Tony Negri, Commercial Product Manager with Phillips 66 Lubricants. We're extremely excited about the performance of Guardol FE 10W30 engine oil. We think it's going to be a real game changer for fleets that are ready to put it to the test. We've all heard how FA4 oils can provide increased fuel economy, but nobody wants to sacrifice durability in the process. This video will explain the test behind the results and hopefully leave you confident that Guardol FE 10W30 can both improve fuel economy and increase wear protection. The first example is the cylinder liner from the test run featuring Mobil Delvac Super FE 10W30. This product passed the test at the minimum threshold of 31 hours. As you can see, there is a significant amount of scuffing visible where the cross-hatching has been worn away. The second example is the cylinder liner from the test run featuring Phillips 66 Guardol FE 10W30. The test is designed to run 200 hours or until scuffing occurs, whichever comes first. Guardol FE passed the test at the maximum of 200 hours, but we weren't done yet. When we reached 200 hours, we made a decision to let the test keep running under the same conditions. The cylinder liner you see before you ran for 330 hours before the test was stopped. Not because scuffing had occurred, but because to continue to draw samples for oil analysis would compromise the oil volume in the engine. If you had any doubt as to whether Guardol FE 10W30 was capable of providing excellent wear protection, this example proves that under abuse test conditions, Guardol FE is more than up to the task. Bench tests and engine test stands in laboratories are one thing, but what about real-world experience? The third example is a cylinder liner cutaway from a 2014 Detroit diesel DD13 engine in on-highway service with 45,000-mile drain intervals while running coast-to-coast routes from its base in Atlanta, Georgia. The engine ran on Phillips 66 Guardol FE 10W30 from new and had accumulated 884,000 miles at the time of the engine teardown. As you can see, there is no significant scuffing to be found. We've created brochures with parts photos from our engine teardowns covering a 2014 PACCAR MX-13 with 540,000 miles, a 2014 Detroit diesel DD13 with 884,000 miles, and a 2016 Volvo D13 with 762,000 miles. Representative photos include pistons, bearings, wrist pins, cylinder liners, oil pans, and rocker covers. Also included is a copy of our industry-exclusive FA4 specific warranty. We are so confident in the performance of Guardol FE 10W30 that we've put the power of our wallet behind it. We will cover the use of Guardol FE 10W30 in 2010 and newer Detroit diesels, 2014 and newer PACCAR, Cummins, International, and Volvo Mack. Whether in the lab, an engine test cell, or on-highway service, Phillips 66 Guardol FE 10W30 FA4 synthetic blend protects engines against wear with the added benefit of increased fuel efficiency. The proof is in the parts. To watch more videos regarding our engine teardowns, please go to our YouTube channel. For more information about the products in general, please visit lowerviscosity.com.